Welcome for this mathematics lesson. Remember to subscribe and to share the link with your friends. So we're going to look at a question here from the equation of a straight line. A question which says that a line L passes through point 31, is perpendicular to the line, 2y equals to 4x plus 5. Determine the equation of line L. Determine the equation of line L. So remember to be subscribed and to also share this link with your friends. When two lines are perpendicular, we usually say that the first gradient multiplied by the second gradient should give us -1. Therefore, in this case, we first of all going to rearrange the first equation in the form y equals to mx plus c, so that we may say now this equation becomes y equals to, when we divide through by 2, this will be 2x plus 5 out of 2. So in this equation now, gradient 1 is going to be 2, because in this format, the coefficient of x is usually the gradient. Now that gradient 1 is 2, then gradient 2 will be -half. And if we have gradient 2 and at least a point where the line passes, then we can come up with its equation by having this gradient. The point is 3, 1, and we let another point xy. We let another point to be xy. Therefore, at this point now, we're going to say gradient is given by change in y divided by change in x. So the first y minus the other y in the other coordinate, and change in x minus 3. And we cross multiply, where we shall have 2y minus 2, because 2 is multiplying everything here, equals to, it's going to be -x, but this one becomes +3, because -1 by -3 becomes +2. 2y equals to -x plus 5. We can finally arrange the equation in the format y equals to mx plus c, where we shall say that y equals to -1 out of 2x plus 5 out of 2. So you can see, after arranging the equation in this format, the coefficient of x is -half, and it was our gradient. Therefore, when the equation has been arranged in this format, automatically the coefficient of x should be the gradient. Remember to subscribe and to share.